Welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to season the cast iron kadhai in oven. You can season any pan, skillet or kadhai in oven. So first of all, we will wash this kadhai thoroughly. I am using large brush. I will take a soap on it, and as it is very heavy, I have kept it in my sink, and then I will wash it. Give a very nice wash, as this is the first time it came from outside, so I will wash it thoroughly. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Make sure you wipe down this kadhai very nice so that there must not be any water particle. To proceed further, it must be totally dry. So friends, after wiping it down, I will use the extra virgin coconut oil. You can use any flavorless oil to season this kadhai. Apply a very thin layer of oil, as this is very cold and I am using coconut oil. It is giving me layer. After this, I will wipe it down with the tissue paper. If you are using any room temperature, means liquid oil, so make sure you wipe it down nicely. I had a bread pan, and this is also very nice. I am using it a lot for making breads and all, so I wanted to season this also, so I am doing this together with kadhai. Make sure when you are doing this, you can open the doors and keep everything airy, because it will make lot of smoke. This is how I arranged my kadhai and bread pan in the oven. Make sure you put a drip pan below. I will tell you why. First of all, let's see how to make a setting in the oven. So I have set my oven for 400 Fahrenheit, and I will set for 50 to 55 minutes. Play start. So friends, I have told you that you should keep a drip pan below, because this kadhai will take out all the extra oil whatever it has, and it will get a nice thin layer of oil, and that will be our seasoned part of the kadhai, and it will behave like a non-stick. So to make sure, first tip is you should apply a very thin layer of oil after washing this kadhai or any cast iron utensil, and when you keep it in oven, make sure that you put a drip pan so that extra oil will be cached into the oven, otherwise the oven will get messy. And you can see the final product. After seasoning, it is very nice and shiny. I cooked some, first of all I deep fried in this kadai some snacks items, and then we tried appam type thingy. And yes, this is a flat base kadhai. As I have a glass cooktop, I need to use the flat base, and it is working nice. But yes, to the top, to heat to the top, it will take some time, but I get very nice cooking. I bought this for deep frying, and for deep frying it is very nice. Yes, the temperature, I need to keep the temperature on near about 5 to 6, depend on how much high temperature I want. So if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any questions about cast iron, please do put it into the comment box. I will make sure to answer you back. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.